coconut milk adds a rich, creamy texture to the sauce, while simmering allows the spices to blend properly for a perfect balance of flavors, and also great for those who requiring a dairy-free diet. For a keto-friendly dish, opt for regular cream and unsweetened tomato puree, and then pair it with cauliflower rice or just enjoy it on its own for a satisfying low-carb meal. Okay, ready to see the final results? Let's keep going. This dish is crafted with a mild heat level to accommodate most palates. If you enjoy a spicier flavor like I do, simply adjust by adding some red pepper flakes or a dash of cayenne pepper to suit your preferences. So go ahead and try this dish and let me know what you think. The recipe ingredients list and links to my go-to products and tools are in the description below. So check them out if you're interested. I also invite you to check out my other videos for more quick, tasty, healthy recipes. I look forward to see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.